In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make operating procedures, or SOPs, in Asana. Operating procedures are essential in ensuring consistency and precision in tasks, and Asana provides an excellent platform for organizing and maintaining these procedures. Now let's dive into the details and get started. First, you'll need to log into your Asana account. Once you're logged in, take a glance at the left sidebar. You're going to see a little plus icon under the Projects section. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to creating a new project, which will house your SOPs. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option pop up that says New Project. Select this option to start laying the groundwork for your operating procedures. Now, Asana gives you two paths to choose from. You can either use a template or start with a blank project. Using a template is generally recommended when dealing with SOPs because it provides a structured format that can be tailored to meet your specific needs effortlessly. However, if you feel confident and have specific ideas in mind, a blank project might be the way to go. Once you've made your choice, give your project a clear and precise name. This might seem simple, but remember, a well-chosen name will help you and your team identify and access the project swiftly in the future. Think of a name that speaks directly to the content and purpose of the SOPs you're about to create. The next step is to set up sections within your project, which will serve as categories for your SOPs. To do this, click on Add Section. This will create a new section under which you can begin listing tasks that relate to that specific category. Defining clear sections is vital as it helps in organizing the SOPs logically. It ensures that similar types of procedures are grouped together, making navigation and retrieval of information much easier for everyone involved. When drafting the SOPs, consider the level of detail necessary for each procedure. How detailed you make your descriptions depends on your team's needs and preferences. Some might prefer comprehensive step-by-step instructions, while others might benefit from more streamlined guidelines. Whatever you choose, make sure the SOPs are clear and easy to understand, as this will be crucial for maintaining consistency in task execution. And there you have it. That's how to create effective standard operating procedures in Asana. By following these steps, you're well on your way to building a structured and efficient workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.